Hey, it's me again. Welcome to my third video. Ang labo. Now in this video, I will teach you how to doggy and dance the Gangnam Style. So, check it out, guys. Hey guys, since Halloween, I'll give you Ang Dead na Dead na teach me how to doggy.
They be like, smooth, what? Can you teach me how to do it? You know why? Cause all the bitches know. All I need is a beat that's super bumpin'. You, back it up and touch it. Put your arms out front, lean side to side. They gon' be on you when they see you hit that double ride. Ain't nobody fucking with my bro from Morningside. He go by Bubba, and he with that different thugger. I ain't from Denver, but I detail boogie. I show my moves on to everybody try to do it. I leave the function. Now you just do you, and I'ma do it. Niggas love to hate, so they try to sue me. Bitches be stuck to me, I think they try to do me. I make the color shine bright when it started moving. This beat was bubble gum, so I had to chew it. Teach me how to duck, teach me how to duck, teach me how to duck, teach me how to duck. All my bitches love, all my bitches love, you ain't fucking with my baby. Teach me how to duck, teach me how to duck, teach me how to duck. All my bitches love it. All my bitches love it. All my bitches love it. You ain't fucking with my baby. That nigga's young. You put him loose, you don't know me. I know him from the west, but I can teach you how to doggy. I step up in the club, all these bitches love me. And the nigga dancing, nothing of them know me. I hit the spot screaming like, hey, get it for me. Step up on my shoulders and I take it real low. They like how we do that, he can doggy on the floor. And when that nigga stop, they like doggy some more. I'm like a nigga kinda tired.
After the dead doggy, and now I will bring you the Korean version of the hit dance craze, Gangnam Style.
Oppa Gangnam Style. Gangnam Style.
Say something. Ano masasabi mo sa video na ito?
So, guys, it's so silly. It's so disgusting. You know what's the feeling? I'm dancing like Chris Brown. Chris Brown in the YouTube video. Oh, it's so silly.
Okay, so what can you say about the people who like your previous video?
Hey, who like my video? You know?
Like my video?
You like it? Now you like me? Thank you, guys. That's all I want to say. And to the internet that keep punching me, you know, internet, I will hunt you down.
Okay, so thank you for that. Can you say goodbye to all your viewers now?
Hey, to all my fans, last thank you to all the TFC subscribers. The ABS-CBN, what are you doing?
Okay, so can you give us a last post?
What's post? Hey, by the way, bye-bye.